Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Testing Education. If you are preparing for FPSC tests, especially lecturer, SST, TGT, or other teaching related posts, then this playlist is extremely important for you. In FPSC syllabus, part 1 is related to English portion, part 2 is the professional part, which is very relevant to your subject, and the part 3 is the pedagogy. And many candidates ignore or prepare it superficially, but the reality is this portion is conceptual, scoring, and repeated in different form. So in this playlist, we will cover the complete pedagogy syllabus in structure and exam-oriented way. As you know, there are 7 to 6 major important topics which FPSC included in their syllabus. So why this playlist is important? Because FPSC frequently asks questions from this portion, a concept-based and high-scoring topic, important for lecturer of any subject, either it is physics, chemistry, bio, Urdu, English, whatever subject do you have, and any teaching related post you have applied, either it is a trained graduate teacher, SST teacher, secondary school teacher, senior school teacher, elementary school teachers, and it is also helpful for interview. So here is the very first important topic is educational psychology. Here we will understand the learning theories. There are a lot of theories which is presented by many educational psychologists such as Vygotsky, Skinner, Froebel, etc. And the second topic is motivation, which is also important, intelligence and individual difference, cognitive development, which is very important, and the fourth one is behaviorism and constructivism. So we will not just read the definition. We will focus on MCQs pattern and concept clarity. The second topic is classroom management and discipline. This section is very important and practical. APSC often asks questions about the type of discipline, preventive and corrective discipline, teacher role in classroom control, strategy for effective classroom environment. We will discuss real classroom situation to so that you can also answer confidently in interview. The third most important topic is instructional planning and the teaching strategy. In this part, we will cover the lesson planning, teaching method. There are a lot of teaching methods such as lecture method, discussion method, demonstration, and activity-based learning. Students and teacher center or curriculum center methods. So the third one is modern teaching strategies, writing instructional objectives. We will learn how FPSC frame MCQs from our teaching method. The fourth one is students evaluation and examination system. This is one of the most important areas. We will cover formative, diagnostic and summative assessment, which is very important. FPSC asks 2 to 3 questions from formative, diagnostic and summative assessment. Type of test, reliability and validity, which is very important and my favorite topic, objective and subjective assessment, examination reform. Most candidates get confused in measurement and evaluation term. We will simplify each and everything inshallah in this lecture. The fifth one is educational guidance and counseling. In this section, we will understand type of guidance, difference between counseling and guidance. Role of teacher is a counselor, career guidance, personal and educational counseling. This portion is very important for especially lecturer level post. The sixth one is Bloom taxonomy, which is very important, and my favorite topic. This topic is repeatedly asked in FPSC, so we will cover in detail cognitive domain. As you know, there are three major domains of Bloom taxonomy. The first one is cognitive domain, the second one is affective, and the third one is psychomotor domain. The cognitive domain, which is presented by Bloom's in 1956. The affective domain presented by the educationist, I forgot the name, and the third one is psychomotor domain, which is presented in uh, 1972 by Simpson. And there are many sub levels of the all three domains. We will discuss each and every domain and each and every level. We will discuss the action verb application in MCQs. After this playlist, inshallah, you will not just memorize the Bloom taxonomy, you will understand how to apply it in exam questions. So, here is a course structure, how this playlist will be a structure. In every lecture, you will get concept explanation, important definition, previous pattern MCQs, practical question or practice questions, quick revision point. This will be a complete course, not just random videos. So, who should watch this playlist? APSC lecturer candidates, SST trained graduate teacher and teaching post applicant, anyone preparing for competitive exam with pedagogy portion, candidate preparing for interviews in educational field. So all those who applied just related to teaching post, they can follow, they can watch, they can understand this lecture series. If you are serious about FPSC preparation, start this playlist from lecture 1 and follow it step by step. Don't skip concept. Pedagogy is easy if you understand it properly. Subscribe to Testing Education, turn on notification, and share this playlist with your serious candidate. In next lecture, we will start with the educational psychology with detailed introduction and major theories. So, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.